What's up, guys? Clutch Ninja here, and welcome to. Maybe I should grab a job real quick. I pretty much just started this this account, so catch up. Thank you. This profile. So yeah, it's pretty new. I'm still level 0, so I'll show you the basics of the game. This is a really awesome game. I'll show you. Alright, so sorry, I just wanted to turn a couple of lights off. So you turn your truck on, and there you go. You're driving. I'm using a controller right now, so yeah. Which side of the road? The left side. Okay, let's do this. Please, nobody hit me. Nobody hit me. Thank you. Okay, F2 is side mirrors. Alright. How much fuel do I have? Probably have to refuel at the first chance I get. I am way over the line right now. Such a great driver. Turning left, okay. Eesh, my trailer was like dragging along the... Okay, going straight and then turning left. Turning left, that means left lane, right, man? Come on, Klutzy. No, turning right. Turning right, not turning left. Oh. I've played this game so much. I actually have. I've played it for many, many hours. This game is just amazing. It's pretty old. The hard part is gonna have keeping you guys from getting bored. But just look at these mountains. Oops, speed cameras. I have new mail. Should I check it? Should I not? Okay, I believe circle is cruise control. No, that would not be it. Plus I'm going up a hill anyway. So I just gotta put the pedal to the metal and hope I make it. Listen to that. It's like, come on. Drive 7. Just trying to get up this hill. This truck comes right by me. Ah! Trucks always scare me. Especially gas trucks. Gas trucks are even scarier. Plus they're mean. Gas truck drivers are really mean. Okay, I believe that's cruise control. Yeah. Alright, cruise control, baby. If I don't use cruise control, my ring, or not my pointer finger starts to hurt really bad. Just... Alright, speed limit's 50 now, so... Truck is slowly accelerating to 50 miles per hour. Ever so slowly. Hopefully I have enough gas to make it to first gas station. I just kind of went out of town. I'm not really thinking about it. Hope nothing goes wrong. Wow, he pulled that turn real tight. Especially for a truck. Holy cow. Did you see that? Another thing is that because this game is old, where's my cruise control? Okay. Cruise control is at 50. You can see that like on the bottom left. Oh, I veered into the other lane. I wasn't paying attention. Okay, I think coming up is a gas station, so I think I'll stop and fill up real quick. Oh yeah, that's a gas station. Sorry, car. Services 200 yards. Yep, perfect. Exactly what I need. Services. Okay. There's a car coming. See my blinkers, please. Good. You saw my blinkers. Just kind of annoying. Okay. Turn it off. Follow the instructions. Oh, stop the engine. Oops. That's not what I meant. Okay, I might as well check my email right now anyway. Okay, need money, we can help. Nope, I've got plenty of money. But, oh, well, I guess I could get a loan. If I have my own. Okay, I think after I finish this job, I'm gonna go to the bank, get a loan, buy my own truck, and I have to hold it. Yeah, I have to hold it. Okay. Filling up, filling up, filling up. Holy cow, imagine spending almost $1,000 on, or 1,000 euros on fuel. Like, it's covered by my supplier, because, I mean, it's their truck, and it doesn't negatively affect me. But still, it's a lot of money. No turning left. Like, I could make that turn anyway. Woo! Hi, car. Thanks for stopping. A little bit of a lag spike there. Wow. That bus just came right by me. Okay. Back on the road. 92 miles left. This is a straight shot. We don't have to use the ferry. The ferry takes so much time out of the thing. Not that it's really nice, but this is alright. Speed cameras. Gonna have to drop down my... No? Okay. As long as the speed limit stays the same, I'm all cool. So peaceful too. Bit of a lag spike. Look at the river. Isn't that beautiful? Turn the lights on with the controller. There's still some stuff I have to do with the keyboard, but pretty much everything I do is with the controller. Where am I going? I don't know. I have no clue where I'm going. Okay, let's go in the middle lane. You see me blinking, right? Yes, you do. Okay. Alright. Do I have to turn left or go straight? Go straight. Now do I turn left? I don't know. I think so. Yes, I turn left. Okay, good. I took the right took the right turn. Taking the wrong turn is the worst thing ever. 'Cause there's like literally no way to get back out of it. Oop. Yeah. Sorry if the blinker was blinker was bugging you. Look at that lighting. It's pretty nice for an old game. 70 miles left. And this is not real time, obviously. As you can see at the bottom there. It's not going to be another hour and 50 minutes till the end of this video. Oh yeah. So this makes me feel so good. Wait, isn't there some way to turn the radio on? Darn it. Okay. So I guess there's no, like... I have to actually put songs in there. This is really nice. I like this. I can increase the rain chance. Here. Let's see. Options. Gameplay. I can increase the rain chance. Rain probability. Boom! Put it way up. Back. Drive. Now there's a huge chance that it's gonna rain. And the rain is really nice. It looks really good. Look, there's all clouds now. I think the clouds even like come in. It's not like Minecraft where they just pop in. I think they even roll in and then it starts raining. It's really nice. And the conditions get slipperier. So if you guys want to see me crash, that might happen. But it won't happen because I'm so amazingly good at this game. Ooh, look, there's a big loop-de-loop turn coming up again. Another big confusing thing. Ugh. I hate coming up to these intersections. I think I'm going to Cambridge, so... There's cars on the left. Turn into the right lane. There we go. Alright. I can't wait to buy my new truck. Buying a new truck is always so exciting. Oh, now if I'm going to Cambridge, gotta go to the far left. And I'm gonna start slowing down. Ooh, leg spike. It's never fun. Okay, so I'm assuming... Yeah, I turn left here. Okay, I'm gonna start slowing down. Going under my own control. Oh, I'm in the grass. My trailer's in the grass. My trailer's in the grass. Alright. Now cruise control back up to 50. Okay. Only 40 miles left. It's been 20 miles. Nice. I hope I'm talking enough to keep you guys entertained. I don't know. By the way, the casual tryhard told me the reason I haven't been getting any subs is because I haven't been tagging my videos. The second he told me that, I literally facepalmed and started laughing so hard. I thought my parents were going to get mad at me just for laughing. Once I was watching a Jacksepticeye video, I was laughing so hard that they said I was obnoxious. And that is why I love Jacksepticeye. No homo, bro. No homo. He's so funny. You should go subscribe to him. Jacksepticeye, here's 20 extra subscribers for you. You're welcome. They're in a dent in your 2.5 million subs. But I hope they help anyway. I've tried my hardest. The key to YouTubing to long videos like this is, or commentating, doing a voiceover to long videos to this is rambling on and on and on and on and on. Maybe I should get, you know what would be awesome? I think I'm going to do this once a week. I do like a half-hour, 40-minute episode, which is long, but we have a subject to talk about, or I answer your questions or something while driving, which one is going to prove the point, no texting and driving, and 2 is going to increase the chances of me crashing, which will be funny, and 3, it gives me something to talk about during these. So, what would be a good subject to talk about for this one? I don't know. So what do you guys want to talk about? The YouTube viewers, which I am soon to have, hopefully, because I'm finally tagging my videos. Smart. Okay, I'm gonna start slowing down here. Okay, you noticed me. Thank you. Alright. Oh yeah. Pull it tighter, tighter. Oh yes. Alright. Cruise control. And it's gone back up to 60. No, it hasn't. It stayed at 40. Oh, sorry, I left my blinker on. I'm like, what is that noise? I'm almost there. Yay! I think I'm gonna buy my new truck this episode, and then I'll end that here. And then you guys will give me a subject to talk about in the next episode next week. And also the episodes will get longer and longer as I get better and better licenses, because you can get better licenses for leveling up. Whenever you level up, you get a new point, and you can you use those points for licenses, and with those licenses okay, I'm gonna start actually using the throttle. Okay, Cambridge. Welcome to Cambridge. Cambridge is a beautiful European town where trucks come in. I don't know. Okay. I'm supposed to turn left. Oops! Sorry, bro. I should have been on that inside lane. That was actually kind of my fault. Not just kind of. That was my fault. Oh, great. Do I turn right here? Yes. Oh my gosh, look. It's a person. Hey, baby. What's up? She's ignoring me. I always knew my computer hated me. Do you guys have the same purse? That's embarrassing. It's really embarrassing. Having the same purse as someone else. Oh, I would never be able to handle that. If I was walking down the street and somebody had the same purse as I did, I would be so embarrassed. Oh yeah. Made it. Took 3 hours and 7 minutes. That's a long episode. See, do I level up? Yes, I do. Level up. So do I do explosives? Long distance. High value, fragile. Just in time, or... Ooh, fragile. Yes, apply. I kind of want to go long distance, but no. Let's go. Nope, not options. Why? Options. Bank. Let's see. $100,000. Can I pay $2,000? I'm gonna... Yes. Okay. So now I go... If I go to my emails, showroom in London, truck dealers, visit. Alright. Yeah. Sleeper. Globetrotter. Ooh. Are there any left-hand ones? Oh, I think I prefer the right-hand ones. I don't know. I'm American, but I'm weird. Okay, I'll get the cheapest one. It's the only one I can buy. Yes! Yes! I bought my first truck. Alright. I can just drive around now. It's awesome. I'm gonna have to do a job, though, real quick. Look at that beauty. Isn't she beautiful? One of the most beautiful trucks I've ever seen. Look at those cinematics. Alright. I have $11,000. She handles like a dream. I like it a lot. Alright. Manage this garage. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's... Oops. Alright, let's go email. No, that would be loans. Drivers with own equipment. Stand Builders London. Sand Builders. Okay. Let's see. Job market. Freight. Sand Builders. Sand Builders. Alright. Oh. Oh yeah, I'm doing this. Oh, I have to drive there. Alright. Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to end this episode here. Cause... Alright. I'm gonna have to end this episode here. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you saw this due to one of my tags, thank you very much to the Casual Tryhard. Shout out to him and his channel. That was insanely close. That did not make me feel happy. That had no happiness on the inside of me. What did I hit? Oh, I hit a car. He hit me. It was his fault. Itch! Maybe I should stop playing right now. I did not run that red light, by the way. There's no light here. Go! Okay. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end this here. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.